Hello everyone and thank you for watching Edupedia World videos. In this lecture, we'll talk about text domination in Sales and Distribution module in SAP ERP system. To configure text domination, you must follow these major steps. First step, define text determination. Second step, define regional codes. Step 3, assign delivery plans for text determination. Step 4, master data classification. Step 5, maintain sales text identification number determination. Step 6, maintain text codes. And step 7, and the last step, maintain text condition records. Now we will move to step number 1. To define text determination rules, go to transaction SPRO. Click on SAP reference IMG. Sales and distribution. Basic functions. Taxes. Define text determination rules. In this setting, you assign a text category by country. Maintain the settings only for those countries that are relevant for your business scenario. This category is the pricing condition type that will be used for taxes in your pricing procedure. Only those condition types classified as a tax in the condition class can be used here. Some countries can have more than one tax category assigned. In this case, you can use the sequence field. Now check whether the country appears in the list. In our case, we must check if text country United States. We have here our country United States and text category, text jurisdiction code. If we need to create the new entry, we press New Entries button. So step number 1 is ready. Our country, United States, have text category, text jurisdiction code. Press back. Now we can move to step number 2, define regional codes. Double-click on Define regional codes. Define country codes. Specify the country and region entries, and then divide them into country codes as applicable here. Find country United States. So we have regional codes for every state of the United States. If you need to set up a taxes at the city level, you can specify country and region and then divide them into city codes as applicable. To do this, click on Define City Codes. So we have country United States, and we see city codes for our country and region. Now press back button and we can move to the next step. Step number 3. Assign delivery plans for tax determination. Double click. We can find our plant and double click on plant entry. For example, New York plant. Specify the complete address, including by the country, region, country code, city code, jurisdiction code as required. We covered all this when we defined plans in our enterprise structure, so this step is ready. We can move to the next step, and next step is master data classification. We need to set up customers and materials so that the system determines the appropriate tax in a transaction. We can group our customers and materials into groups and control the tax by each group. Click on Define Text Relevancy of Master Records. We see here customer taxes and material taxes. Specify the tax condition type and define the classification codes. For example, materials in our product range could have no tax, half tax or full tax. The same is for customers. Our text category can be with text, without text, and our jurisdiction code. Text group number 1, text group number 3, so we can specify all necessary text category for our customers. The same we can do for our materials. We can create text category to use for our materials. After defining text category, you can go to XD02. So when you maintain the custom master data, you enter the text classification. On the sales area data view, tap billing document. We have entered text classification and note that the text category that appears on the screen is controlled by the tax determination rule maintained for the country United States. Next step is maintain sales tax identification number determination. In this step, you can specify a rule to determine the registration number in a sales order or billing document. Go to SPRO transaction. Click on SAP reference IMG. Go to Sales and Distribution. Basic functions. Taxes. Maintain sales tax identification number determination. Leaving the text number field blank leads you to a default priority rule. You can specify other rules such as A. Determined from the sold to party or B. Determined from the payer. We will use this field blank. as a default. And now we can move to the next step. Next step is maintain text codes. This is a setting in the FI domain. Always set up text codes in consultation with your FI team. Text codes represent a text category. You can define tax rate calculation rules for each text code using IMG PAS, financial accounting, global settings, tax on sales purchases, calculation, and click on Define text codes for sales and purchases. Specify country, in our case it will be United States, and press Continue. Enter text code, sales tax, text jurisdiction for Texas, United States, default for export tax jurisdiction, and press enter. It's just a basic example. And we can change tax percentage rate. In our test scenario, we can move this. We can leave this value without any changes, and go back to the SAP Easy Access menu. Now we can move to our last step, maintain text condition records. You can use the transaction VK11 to set up text records, just like any other pricing record. Besides the text rate, you also specify the text code in the condition record. For example, we can go to transaction VK11, and now we can create condition record, as we did in our previous lecture, price determination. After creating text condition record, we have successfully defined our tax determination procedure. So in this lecture, we have learned about tax determination in SAP SD. We configure tax determination following these major steps. We defined tax determination. We defined regional codes. We assigned delivering plans for tax determination. We set up master data classification. We maintained sales tax identification number determination. We maintained tax codes. And we maintained tax condition records. So we have successfully defined our tax determination procedure in SAP Sales and Distribution module. Thank you for watching Edupedia World videos.